spot right here, dudes. Look at this. Well, folks, this is certainly one of the premium camp spots we've had on this mission. This is the Corella Dam. Oh wait, am I covering up the lens here? No, it's all good. Yeah, the Corella Dam, and wow, it's beautiful, right? There's RVs spotted all over the place, dotted across the ways. There's inlets like that. There's another one on the front there. The ride in was a little, you know, up and down, a little how's your uncle over the four-wheel drive trails. But I've got a premium spot here. This is going to be the site for I'm going to put the awning out here, little fireplace here. The couple that told me about this spot, I met them at the 41 Mile Bore, and they were saying, oh, you got to go to this spot. And so it's not far from Mount Isa, and I came in here, and of course there was a couple paddling out on their stand-up paddle boards, and it was that couple. They also told me though, freshwater crocodiles in here. So they were sort of saying they're further up that end, but just to be aware of it. I don't have any experience with fresh or saltwater crocodiles. I understand the freshies are the sort of less gnarly ones. I was speaking with those Aboriginal guys last night at the Overlander Hotel, and they were telling me the freshies in Mount Isa Lake will definitely attack you. Don't be placid around freshwater crocodiles, and definitely don't be placid around salties. But no salties here. Freshies, it's what I'm hearing. Yes, I'm sitting next to the water's edge, but that's not what freshies are known for. Salties are known to attack from, you know, in the water and launching. Freshies aren't. If you provoke a freshwater, they'll attack you, apparently. So there's no threat that they're going to just come lunging out at me. Just to be clear. You can park up anywhere you want all around here. I was saying that kind of area from there sort of back, because it wraps around as well. That area seems to me like the two-wheel drive and the RV stuff. And then the further you come around here, the track gets a bit gnarlier. Four-wheel drive's fine. There's another four-wheel drive just here. And I think the further along you go that way, the gnarlier the terrain gets.